part of the growth that we want this small town, but we also know that it's growing and we want community, and it's neat to hear our voices and it be met, and then so everyone's just coming together.
Good job, baby. You're doing good.
I'm so used to like going to my other school, but this school's pretty cool because you get to ride on the floor.
I'll get these new teachers, and my mom told me that they're all good teachers.
Thank you. I've been to a lot of new schools and I would get scared, but now I'm learning that I shouldn't be scared because it's just gonna be great.
I'm just really excited to teach music full time. I'm excited about the staff here. I'm excited about our principal.
You know, getting to see kids, ask them what grade they're in, say, hey, that's gonna be your hallway, like, welcome, this is our home, like that made it feel real.